Hey, I'm Frida, welcome to my channel, and today we are just going to do a very calm, chill build, a weekend build if you will. We have this corner right behind me where our two windows are meeting to a point, and I just want to make a little shelf there for our cat Theodore to be able to sit and look outside. So very simple, very straightforward, just something easy. Let's do it. Let's start by making a template out of cardboard so I can get the angles right.
Form a shadow in the dark. What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart?
Do you like it? I'm gonna make it for you so you can see here. Yeah. You can see that he's a little bit too chunky for this little windowsill, so having a bigger area he can actually lay on and look out either side will be good. This is not a 90-degree angle, which is going to be annoying, wouldn't you say? Or we just don't care that it doesn't go all the way. Should do it properly. I'm using a chopping board that is just a little bigger than the biggest gap to scribe the angle onto the cardboard. I could have used something long and flat, but this was close by.
What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? So I get up and I get dressed, playing Pokemon on my old 3DS. There's a title card that says you gotta be the very best.
I found this table for free in the building and I thought it would be perfect piece for this shelf. Therefore, this project cost me zero money.
But what a weird state of affairs. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Do I go back to the What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Do I go back to the start?
Now the proper tool to cut this triangle out would be a jigsaw or a bandsaw, but I have none of those tools yet, so I kind of have to work with what I had. My first idea was just to use the miter saw, but when setting it up I wasn't sure how to make sure it didn't cut too much. I don't have one that shows you a laser line where you're cutting, which would have been much easier.
Just as long as it takes me to memorize your face, I'll draw it all day. Till your eyebrows point to your jaw.
So my second thought was just to use a circular saw, but quickly realized that would be even harder to follow that line with the circular saw.
I've been thinking about you these days, but you'll crash your car if you change your heart, making U-turns on the freeway, on the freeway.
So I went back to my first plan and figured it out. Sometimes overthinking is such a big roadblock. I just inched my way closer and closer to the corner, and it turned out fine.
Wait on the shore and feel bad about ways that we've naturally faded. I'm fine with my life, but I'd probably trade it to see if we'd make it. You can come back for a replay. I've been thinking about you these days, but you'll crash your car if you change your heart, making U-turns on the freeway, on the freeway, on the freeway.
Then I finished up the last little bit with a handsaw.
You're running away. Said you're sick of the city and due for a change, but I need you to stay. Just as long as it takes me to memorize your face, I'll draw it all day. Till your eyebrows point to your jawbone in just the right way. If you made a mistake, you can come back for a replay. I've been thinking about you these days, but you'll crash your car if you change your heart, making U-turns on the freeway, on the freeway, on the freeway. Are you coming up north like you used to? You can jump in Superior or wait on the shore and feel bad about ways that we've naturally faded. I'm fine with my life, but I'd probably trade it to see if we make it. My tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart. Sleeping on your bedroom floor. I let my feelings wash ashore. You told me I'm projecting and I don't move with much direction anymore. I don't know what I'm looking for. I can't believe I care. Soon I won't, I pinky swear. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made? Looking for my shadow in the dark. What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? So I get up and I get dressed, playing Pokemon on my old 3DS. There's a title card that says you gotta be the very best. Now I'm getting existential with my digital pets.
Well, it'll probably be a work in progress as always with cats. But he already sits in his corner, so I know he's going to use this one and he'll have more space, so hope he likes it. I hope you enjoyed this slow, easy build this week, and my next video will be a much bigger project, so I'm excited to show you all what I'm up to. And I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you back here again soon. Theodore, are you up on the table, sir? What are you doing on the table? Oh, you found the chicken. You found the chicken.
Someone else's heart. Do I go back to the start?